Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can connect the single phase installation plug to the warming drawer Whirlpool W11. So let's start from the plug. As you can see, there we have three wires. The middle one, you are starting from this wire, it's a ground wire. If you don't have it in your house installation, you can just isolate it and skip it. The next one, the blue, it's a neutral, you are connecting to the right side of the socket, and the last one, the brown one, it's a phase and going to the left side of your plug. So now we can just close the cover of the plug and let's try to connect it to the power supply. As you can see, it's worked perfect. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.